Hello guys, welcome back to Himanshu's Adverse. Today I am going to introduce you to something very interesting topic, and the topic is known as articles, right? What are articles? There are three articles majorly that we know about. There are three articles, a, n, and the, right? Now, the main theme or the main focus in this video shall be on where to use these individual articles, right? For example, we have 26 alphabets in English. Out of these 26 alphabets, there are some special alphabets like we call vowels, right? A, E, I, O, U. These are five vowels. Now, 26 minus 5 is 21. So, we have 21 uh, consonants, right? Now, whenever there is a consonant sound when we call out a noun, right? So, whenever there is a consonant sound, we are going to use article A, right? A before that. For example, a shoe, a pant, a trouser, right? Or anything like a table, a pen, a book, a university. Now you need to be careful, right? I am saying a university, although it is containing a u at the beginning, right? It is a vowel, but only presence of vowel doesn't decide whether we are going to use a or n. You need to be more careful about the sound, right? Yes, it does depend mostly in most cases where we are going to use a or n, like whether there is a vowel or whether there is a consonant, but for the confirmation we need to decide the sound as well. Like for example, we have honest, right? HONEST, although it has consonant, but we say an honest man, right? So it is like this. To confirm, we need to check which sound it is being produced, right? Now let's come back to the other one. When do we use the, right? Let's say there is a we are walking on the street, right? And there is a dog coming from behind. Now we are talking to someone and we are telling about that dog, right? So in that case, like the dog is black, that dog is black, right? And when we are going to talk again about the same dog, then we are going to use a da before that, because basically it is used when we want to specify something, or when we are talking again about that specific thing. So we need to be speaking in terms of particular thing, right? So we use da there. Okay, that's